Upgrade your truck with the safety and stability of our durable Black Horse Off-Road Armour Series. This rugged rear bumper will help you defend your truck from hazards on both the trails and the open road, and do it in style. It's constructed from heavy-duty steel to provide a superb lifespan of tough corrosion and rust-resistant protection, even in the most extreme conditions. This straightforward, dependable safeguard is covered by our 3-year warranty for your protection. Installation is simple, and there's no need for custom work or drilling. Black Horse Off-Road offers grill guards, bull bars, safari bars, front runner and side steps, tail light guards, rear bumper guards, running boards, LED lights, OEM replacement fog lights, LED bars, off-road fog lights, and rear bumper protectors. All manufactured to the highest quality to fit all of your aftermarket needs.